Hi guys, welcome to Gaming Hub Plays Roblox. So today we are going to play the game called Don't Press the Button. So this game is about if you press the button there will be so many random stuff which kills you, not disasters. And at my last video, the latest video, within a day guys, we got 70 views. I was like, oh my god. So this game is just about surviving the stuff. So it's not like I don't think it's like the natural disaster. It's going to be so random disasters. Oh, I should not touch the clouds, so we should just survive it. Let me check if it. Oh, the chocolate. Oh my god, there are lasers, guys. Oh my god, it's too bright. Yes, we survived. So it's going on. Okay, guys. Can I do this plan thing? I am the one who's going to press the button. Oh my god! This guy. Oh my god! I'm just going. So shift lock is the best for this. It's chill. Oh my god! I dodged so many rockets today. It's like if you ask a friend what did you do today, and I'll be like, I dodged so many super large rockets. Haha, not funny. Oh my god! Okay. Hello. Oh my god. So comment below what games all I should play. So I think if you like this game, you can go to the discussion and tell you can make a part 2. You people are not even talking to, not even telling anything in the comments. If the comment is disabled, you can maybe go to the discussion and do something. Oh, that was so random. Dude. Hey. Oh, she died. Perfect. Who's going? Push. Everyone is waiting who's going to do it? Oh, this person went through. Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Oh my god, there's a Bloxy Cola. I didn't know what to do. Did anyone find the Bloxy Cola? Okay. Coin. Got a coin. Over there. Wait, what? We all are paused. Yes. Oh my god. Wait, what? Okay, to the side. Oh my god, you people are messing it up. Oh my god, idiots, you idiots. Oh my god. Guys, can we get the last video we got so many views within a day? So can we get it like that in this video too? So our goal is 300k overviews, guys. Overviews. So let's do it, guys. Oh, button press. I am the button presser. Oh no, who's this hacker guy? Oh my god, you people are idiots. Oh my god. What is it? Please. Okay, let's be above him. Why can't I climb up of you, dude? Oh, I can go through people. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, I'll be at the highest. Oh, wait, what just happened? A storm? Oh, can I get the coins this time? Idiot. Vacation. Oh, vacation. Let's chill. Chill with my blocks. My smoothie. I'm the one who's going to click it next time. Okay. The name is like don't press the button, but it's just everyone is waiting to press the buttons. I'm not gonna chill. I want to really. Everyone is chilling. Vacation. Yes. I pressed the button. Watch out. Watch out. Oh my god. Wait, how is that guy pressing? Hacker. I'm the one who pressed it. Avoid being grilled. We should just... Whoa! I didn't see that coming. See, this hacker guy just press it magically. Like, whoa, it's raining money. Why am I talking that? Okay, guys, I just check my audio thing. Whoa. It's very confusing and I'm bored. Okay. Hey, oh my god, me pressing. Who pressed that? Oh yeah, it's me. Let's go. Okay. A storm. Okay. People are giving their life out for coins. No storm. Jump over the lasers? Wait. Oh my god, that game? Oh my god. Everyone's like, oh, what happened? See, these people are playing it. Even I'll join them. Ooh, what if I jump on you? Okay, this is my spot. Oh, This thing forced me to rob the bank. Wait, where's the bank? Oh, that's cool. You can just teleport. Easy lasers. Oh my god. I am used to play jailbreak, so easy. Not easy. Make it. Escape the bank. Escape the bank? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's just like jailbreak. Oh my god, I have such low health that I may die any second. Oh my god. That's such low. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to really die here or it's going to be a shame. Oh my god, guys, we escaped. Oh my god, I had the lowest health over there. I robbed the bank. Oh, I am in the winner's list. I think that guy's spam clicking, so why am I doing this? I feel like an idiot while I do that. I'm going to stop spam clicking. Can you just quickly finish this match? Yes, I did it. Has a sword? Who has a sword? Oh my god, that guy. Oh my god, that guy is just going to stand over there. Oh, he's speedy. I don't know if... Oh my god, he's coming towards me. It's coming towards me. It's coming towards me. Oh my god. How? That's one last match. This game is fun. Oh my god. I would have been so dead. Watch out for snowballs. Where's the snowballs, dude? Oh, it's gonna fall from the sky. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I do that? Can I just zoom out a lot? I just need to watch out. Oh my god. I can't even see where am I going. Okay, that's... Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. Damn. Sorry for the screaming thing. Oh my god, jump over the lasers. Oh my god! I think I should stop telling. Oh my god. GG. Okay guys, one last match. Oh my god! Okay, this is my 6th time telling. Oh my god. Okay, the last match. Oh shoot. Okay, you can do this, Chian. Oh my god. It's not Chian, it's Burnthead. He's Mr. Burnthead. I think Mr. Burnthead should be at the creepypasta there. I think Mr. Burnthead is feeling bad, so I need to stop this here. Oh my god, be careful. Let's see what this idiot. Oh, Mr. Burnthead. He is the captain of the stuff. Mr. Burnthead. Oh. Don't jump. Can I push? Push. Oh, is that guy hacker? Oh, he's not hacker. He just bought a jetpack. Oh my god, Savannah. Why? Such stupid names. Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Oh wait, no. Okay guys, this is not the end. Okay. Who's gonna fight till the end? Oh, it's this guy. Who's the boss? Man, who's the boss? Who's the boss now? Come on, don't be scared. I'm a fight legend. Come on, man. Come on. What the heck? Me? Why? Oh, I'm in the winner list? Come on, idiot. You scared? Come on. Oh my god. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.